Find or read reviews that people are talking about fancy portable washing machine. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Introducing the portable washing machine. Tired of spending hours on laundry? Say goodbye to those back-breaking trips to the laundromat during your holidays, international trips, and domestic work travel. Everyone is involved in this house chores, and we guarantee everyone will love our portable machine, which is fun to use. Our innovative folding washing machine is the ultimate solution to your laundry woes. No more wasting time or money on costly laundromats or hand washing. Our portable washing machine saves you time, energy, and headaches. Say hello to fresh, clean clothes with ease. Don't miss out on this game-changing appliance. Get your very own portable washing machine today and experience laundry freedom like never before. Simple to use. Modern design, sturdy, reliable, with its compact design and powerful cleaning capabilities, you can now enjoy the convenience of doing your laundry anytime, anywhere. Portable washing machine. Lightweight, compact, and easy to carry, perfect for apartments, dorms, hotels, travel, or camping. TPE and food-grade silicone materials make up our portable washing machine, protecting you and your family's health. This would also make a great gift for you. A dehydration basket is not included in the portable washer. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.